Yeah. Come closer, let me show you how you can actually add funny sounds to your video in order to spice it up. Isn't that another one again? See, most of us have a lot of content to create, but they don't have these content ideas. Yes, for those of you who are so lazy or who doesn't have content idea, that doesn't even want to use ChatGPT to create their own content, this is another do for you. Go to your bag, bring out your pen and pencil and list this thing that I'm about to tell you right now. A lot of people have been cashing out with just using funny sound to spice up their content, more especially those people you see sitting and sometimes funny clips we play on their videos. Yes, it is very simple as ABCD for you to do this, and it will help you to get viral videos and a lot of people will be following you. So if you're not relentant about what I just said and you really want to cash out on FB, TikTok, YouTube and others, come closer, let me put it to you. Let's go. To add different funny sounds in your video in order to spice it up, what you have to do is hurry on to your TikTok account, click on it, click on this search bar at the right hand side of it, type Naija funny sound, click on it this way, click on one of it like this. See, this is one of the sounds if you want to use this Nigeria comic sound. So what you have to do is this: click on this arrow this way, the share button, come to this place and save it. So when you save it, it has already saved on your phone. So what you have to do is to hurry on to your CapCut or your InShot. When you get to your CapCut this way, what you have to do is click on it, allow it to open. When it open, click on new project this way, click on new project. When you click on new project, what you have to do is to add that video that you want to talk on. This is not actually the video I want to talk on. Okay, so let's say this is the video. Let me use this video since it has popped up this way. This is the video we are working on. So now I want to put that video this way. You scroll down, I want to put it in the middle. Click on this plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, so now you have to bring in the funny sound. So let's say for instance I'm working on this video and I want to bring in the funny sound. What you have to do is just for you to put your cursor in this way. When you put the cursor, click on this plus sound to bring in that your video. So click on the video this way and add it. Yes, I've added it on this thing. So since you're on the place where you want to put it, click on audio. So when you click on audio, you click on sound. When you click on sound, so look for extract. So what you have to do is to click on extract audio from the video this way. So click on this video, then click on add. So this is after click OK. Chasing. So then you play it. You see it. You see it. So this is where I want it to stop. What I have to do is to click on split.